Hey everybody, so it's Sparrow. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're talking about the Deciem foundation. The fuck is the Deciem foundation? Which foundation? I'm talking about both. So let me really clearly get this out the way. This took a while because I filmed wear tests and I actually do research, and I have like 11 questions that I ask about a product. For foundation, some of the questions don't matter, or depending where they're from, they don't matter. But I really wanted to make sure that I really get the format down this first time we're doing it. And I'm doing two foundations at once right now because these two foundations have a lot, since they're basically from the same place, almost same pricing. Since these foundations are almost the same, it seems really stupid to have two videos on them. When the first impressions videos, the what's new videos, those I have two different videos because of the fact that when I got them, I made the video. So I really wanted to make sure that this one, since it's a comprehensive thing, we just stick it all in one video. So it might be a little long, and I hope you guys can stick through it with me. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, it's SoIt'sSparrow. So just so we're clear, I'm using the Makeup Forever Caramel Primer, the Milk Makeup Blurring Primer, the foundation, the Patrick Star Powder, my NARS concealers, and then all of my regular face products in order to create these looks that I'm going to be doing for the wear test. It's the same thing that I do for every other foundation I wear, well, at this point in time of the video. Now I use a different primer, but essentially it's the same technique either way. So I ask about 11 questions because my birthday is 11/11 and I'm a thought like that. But anyway, the first question is, how much is it? This foundation, the coverage that I'm applying today, is going to be $6.90. It used to be $6.80, and they raised the price because it's a more popular iteration. You get 1 fluid ounce, and in comparison, you're getting $39 for 1 fluid ounce of the Too Faced Born This Way. It's $47 for 1 fluid ounce of the Lancome Tinted Oil, and it's $49 for about 1 fluid ounce of the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So this product has a natural finish. And then the next question was, is it good for oily combo skin like my own? And the answer is, it works well, except in my really oily areas like my nose, where I'm going to get a lot of breakup. And if you can figure it out, the best thing to do is using really good oil blocking primers, or you could also just set your primer with powder before applying your foundation, and then make sure that you're using really good setting sprays. Like I use my Boscia white charcoal setting spray. The two places you can buy are going to be Deciem, which is the actual company's website, and then Beautylish. For the shipping on Deciem is $4.99. And on the Beautylish website is $5, but it's free if you spend over $50 on the entire website. And since it's online only, you want to wonder how you're going to figure out your shade. There are graphics that compare the Deciem shades to the MAC shades. For example, I'm about an NC50 to NC45, and I wear 3.1Y. So number 6 is, how can I save money? And that is with the Beautylish offers a flexible payment plan if you spend over $100, but there are no coupon codes, and neither site uses Ebates. So this wears for about 5 hours before I get uncomfortably shiny. By the 8th hour, because I did wear this for about 8 to 9 hours, I prepare, I'm done with my makeup by 11:30. I clock into work at 12. I leave at 8. I'm home by 8:45 to 9. So you're looking at about a 9 to 10 hour wear test here for you guys. And essentially, it just becomes really shiny very early in the process. You're not even at you're a little bit past the halfway point for it. Similar products, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation has a higher coverage. These are about a medium coverage, and it's more luminous rather than shiny for me, where I don't feel like I look greasy, and all of my shine is kind of evenly distributed, so it looks more like a glowy from within kind of thing. From the same brand, the Deciem Serum Foundation is lower coverage, thinner formula, and more radiant. This brand is vegan, this brand is cruelty free, and the brand is black girl friendly. They are definitely shades for everybody. So you see, this is the final look before I leave for work, and I'm naturally already radiant, but when I get home, I'm extra super shiny. So this could be a good everyday product if you don't like spending a lot on your foundation. As you can see by my oily face though, this is not good for extended wear. If you want something to wear to work, this is not going to be the product for you. But it is good for like maybe a few hours, going out with your friends for like a, a afternoon lunch or something. But I would not call it the all day wear product. So now we're going to move on to the serum foundation. After this is the last look. Okay, so this is serum foundation, same application, same everything. So first question is, again, how much is it? This one is $6.70. So they actually lowered the price on this one. It originally both were $6.80. Same thing, you get 1 fluid ounce at the same price. Again, same comparisons of my favorites of the Too Faced Born This Way for $39 for 1 fluid ounce, the Lancome Tonsil for $47 for 1 fluid ounce, and the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear for $49 for 1 fluid ounce. And this one is definitely a radiant finish. If I call the other one natural, this is radiant because it's so thin in formula. It leaves me so shiny. This is definitely like pretty girl skin foundation. Like if you have good skin, this foundation is going to look amazing on you. This is completely dependent on how you do the rest of your makeup, on whether or not oily combo skin should or could be wearing this product. You're going to need like stuff like the Becca Evermatte as your primer to really make sure your oil does not seep through. You can buy it from the same sites, Deciem and Beautylish, $4.99 for the Deciem shipping, $5 for the Beautylish shipping. And again, you can check that graphic out on my first impression videos, and I'll also link it down below in the description box for you. A lot of the stuff is the same. We're going to go down to the wear test. So it starts lightly radiant from the beginning. Like after I've already set my face, I'm already radiant. And I get shine. My nose is shining by hour 3. This is 3 of like 8 to 9 hours. I'm uncomfortably shiny by hour 5, where like I can feel the oil sitting on my nose. I can feel that my foundation wants to slide off of my nose. And by 8, my nose, my inner cheeks, my forehead, and my chin have visible shine, which you will see in a little bit. So again, the similar product is still my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear, but at the time of this recording, I actually own the Lancome Skin Feels Good Skin Tint. I don't know how much is in it, however, to tell you, but I definitely would suggest that that's also a really good product that's very naturally radiant. That one is $35, but again, I do not know how much it actually has in it. And that one, it just wears over time better. It stays relatively not matte, but natural all day. And I think I wore it for about 8 hours yesterday, and my skin never looked better. So again, the only thing to compare it to from the Deciem foundations is only the coverage foundation, which is higher coverage, thicker formula, and less radiant. We're just gonna go down to, is it an everyday product? And it's cute and all, and it was really trendy, which is why I picked up the product for you guys, because people had questions about it. But honestly, I would not call this like a product I would throw on any day. It's awful because it's just gonna come apart way too easily, and it just upset me a lot. It'd be good if you want to mix it with your moisturizers or sunscreens and create like a tinted thing for yourself. That would be a great idea. But otherwise, I just could not with it. I would like to point out though that the range is a little bit weird for neutral girls like myself. I'm pretty neutral, like not even yellow neutral, just neutral. Like too much undertone to a foundation will immediately turn me whatever color it is. So orange, yellow, green, pink, whatever. So as you see, I use a lot of my neutral concealer and a lot of powder to kind of neutralize the warmth in it. But all that warmth will come back later as my face and the product, like, it's not oxidizing though. I would say that it just pulls really warm on me. So they only do R and Y for red and yellow. So as you can see, over time it just warms up so much compared to my skin tone. But the serum foundation definitely is just not for oily girls. Like if you're dry skin, this will be, and you have perfect like model skin, this will be great. So I'm just showing you in the best light I can possibly pick that is not as harsh, but you know, decisions. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's been a minute, you've been waiting for it, you've been thinking that this is going to be something amazing. I'm sorry, this full review with wear tests is not as exciting as like the first impressions, but I'm appreciating you for watching it. Anyway, if you liked this video, you should go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, you know, let's do the thing. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I know videos are probably gonna take a minute to come out. Shiny Bugs is working full-time 2 jobs. I'm working full-time a job and a half. I got like a little thing on the side now, but we're gonna try to keep working on this because I really like doing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you want more consistent content, and I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye!